Hello everyone, I am going to present my project on seismic analysis of tall buildings. So I have defined seismic loads here under defined load patterns. So according to IS 8 1893 so seismic load has been added. So here we'll only select X and Y direction eccentricity. So as per Bangalore, this should be seismic zone factor Z will be 0.1 and side type will be 2 and important factor is 1, and just add it like this way in this manner. So response vision factor, that is 3 here. So next we'll go to load combinations. So we'll concrete load frame combinations. So we can see the dead loads and live loads and seismic loads combinations have been assigned here. So this seismic load has been assigned to the whole building here. I will go to analyze, run analysis. So we have to wait a little bit as the software runs the analysis. We are doing the seismic analysis. So the analysis has been done, so we can now go on with the so this is Indian standard. So concrete frame design check will be doing now. So the software will perform the design check. We are doing this seismic analysis on the building structure that we have already been doing since the design of tall buildings. Now the software is performing the design check on the building. So now we have to perform it again since 700 members are differing. This process takes a little bit of time, so it is again doing the design check with the reiteration from the auto select beams and column sections. The software selects the beams and column section that is required by the structure. So now 9 such members are identifying. So we'll perform once more. We're doing the design check. So now we can go and look at the frame sections now. So now we'll have to change the section properties. I will add a new property member section. So column I have selected now C 700 to 700 sections. So import grade 700 width by and depth has been applied. So now this is for the column, so HYSD 500 and mile 250. All these have been applied now here. Then we'll change the column auto select list and add this newly added column section C 700 to 700 and to the already. So there will be 4 such sections in the list now. Now assigning the new column section, will now be assigning beam section of 700 into 500 section. Now I have assigned it right here the weekend load. So modifying the beam auto select list. And now there are the 4 such section members, uh, sections properties. So we can now move ahead. Okay, now after completing this we can run analysis again. Now design check again will be performing here. So again we have performed. We'll do this a couple of times until we get the final result. So now likewise we can proceed. Please you can skip this part as these have been repeated if you want to a little. Okay, now so we can see the different members and the reinforcement areas of the reinforcement. add different members. So we've seen that all members have passed the design. So now we'll be applying the can view the reports and all now there will be applying the this mail close is already present. Now we'll go to functions, response spectrum function, add new function. Then in I Indian standard 1893 to 10. So this we will select. So the function name is response spectrum, and accordingly for the zone we will select from the table, and we have found for Bangalore is seismic zone factor is 0.1 and side 2. Then select OK, move ahead. So load cases, in load cases we'll add a new load case and name it response spectrum. So here the load type again will be the response spectrum, add new one. So this will be response spectrum. So this so u1 and u2 for the two directions we have taken, x and y. Similarly the scale factor will be same. Okay, then okay, we'll apply these and move to the next part. So you can see the acceleration here, units for acceleration. Here it is in mm per meter square, mm square per second square. So live load and that load will set to do not run now, and we have run the analysis now. These processes take a little bit of time. So you can design should be IS 456 2000. Okay, now different design. So we'll go on to design check. Software is functioning a little bit slowly, but it will ultimately generate output. So perhaps members are differing now. We performed it again. We will not run the library that load these data books. Please take the time. So this process our time consuming. So we can select any particular member and see the, so we find that we see that all members pass the design check. I passed it, but I will want to looking at the reports. So in the reports we can see different analysis results, then member result, properties and load patterns, etc. Everything we can find here. So we cannot print this out as this is a not a commercial version. So so we can see all the frame assignment summaries, loads, design section, properties and section dimension. So these loads are here. So we can scroll down and we can see there are all different type of load output cases. We can study it and select any property we want. So now we can also display the moments and shear forces. So this is momentary battery intersection. Now next up we will go on to the, so we'll select X for the time history analysis. So we'll only select the X direction eccentricity part. So just be next way. Next up we'll go to functions time history. So we'll perform file with another one. So we'll select the Gujarat earthquake in 2001. So for it we'll apply this as 9 and then number it should be 1. So format type to fix format. Okay, wait, it will come. Okay, now we'll press OK. Can be the file. So this is the graph function of function. So we'll rename it time history. So we'll click on OK. This has been added, so successfully OK. Then we will move on to the next load cases. So we'll delete the previous one. So we'll add a new one. So new one is time history. So time history only one. This one is right here. U1. So load type is acceleration. So we'll type the scale factor as before 166345. So okay, okay. This has been assigned here. So we'll run, do not run. So it was previously assigned earlier. So now time history and seismic loads will be run now for the analysis. So the analysis is being carried out now. You can see the different diagrams portion. So we'll perform the design check now. The software is performing. Also we have seismic loads and the time history analysis. So now to choose promotion, we perform it again. The design check. Actually, okay, the video was quite lengthy. I've speeded up the video. You can see the different members and the section videos in the improvement. So we can find here now that all members have passed the design. So you can view the report, some project summary report, reports. You can see the detail reports, sections and different parts. So look at the load patterns. Wait, have to okay, we move down. Now have to wait. Zoom it up. Okay, so it is visible. So functions load cases can be seen. Different types of load cases. So and again, this factors model results can be seen. So now we can also look at the different movements in shear forces. Shear, this is displaying moment 2 by 2 on the 2 2 section. So thank you all. Thank you, Skyfi.